Hi, my name is Levent-Levi. I'm the owner of blog.me and WebRTC courses, and I'm here to break down real-time communications so you don't have to. This time, we're going to look at 5 different action items for WebRTC CPU optimization on the device. Generative AI in WebRTC means doing things like background blurring, background replacement, or noise cancellation. These are great in order to improve the quality of the media of a call. I don't want all of that crappy background. I'd rather have that clean or blurred, or maybe replace that to a different location. I might need to add noise cancellation so you won't hear that dog barking or the people outside blowing the moan, where I actually need to wait for them to go before I record these sessions. In a video call, I can't do that. I can't wait. So noise cancellation works very well at that areas. The problem with these algorithms is that they take up a lot of CPU. And that CPU is going to hurt our video encoding and decoding, and then the media quality itself. So we're trying to improve media quality, and we're hurting it. What do we need to do here? Well, same as always, the first thing is to measure it, to understand what the problem is. Once we do, we can decide one of 3 things if there is an issue, if there is not enough CPU, for example. One would be to disable it. You know what? This device doesn't have enough CPU to run background replacement. I might as well disable that capability for this call for that user at this point in time. The second option is to offload that algorithm into the cloud. You see that done for noise cancellation, for example, in some cases also for background replacement. In noise cancellation, Google Meet does that in the cloud or on device, depending on whatever they decide. So this can be done. You can decide where to do these things sometimes. And when you can offload that into the cloud and reduce the CPU load on the client side. The third approach, which I highly suggest, is to use a tiered algorithm, an algorithm that will decide to improve its quality based on the amount of CPU that it has available, so that I will do better background replacement, more accurate, if I've got the CPU for that. I will do less of that if I can't, or I'll disable it. Depending on the CPU, and the algorithm is aware of that and knows how to deal with that. So when you choose the algorithm that you are going to use on the browser, be sure to use something that is tiered and not static in the CPU load that it has. Go and follow me at bloggeek.me. Thank you.